Hello everyone, myself Nikhil Rungta. I joined LIC Mutual Fund a few months back and I'm co-chief investment officer of equity for LIC Mutual Fund. I manage around 4 core equity schemes and one of them is LIC MF Flexi-Cap scheme, which we'll be discussing it today. About my background, I'm a rank holder chartered accountant, MBA finance, FRM, and also have completed my ESG certification from CFA Institute. In terms of my experience, I have 16 plus years of experience primarily in the capital markets. Talking about the FlexiCap scheme, this is a scheme which gives you exposure across market cap. It's not restricted toward either large cap, mid cap or small cap. And this is a scheme which gives flexibility to the fund manager to allocate the portfolio toward particular market cap, which is primarily in favor and which is giving higher returns, risk reward on a risk reward basis to the unit holders, to the scheme. In our FlexiCap scheme, we try to look out for the key players in the particular industries. We try to look out for the quality management. We also try to look out for the market cap or the companies where the total addressable market can rise significantly. In terms of the investors' proposition, we would like investors who come in this particular scheme to have more than 3 years of horizon. So no issues here in terms of SIP or lump sum, but we would request you to come with a 3 years of at least 3 years of horizon in this particular scheme. How we manage this scheme? We are two of us who manages this scheme, and primary focus is to grab the opportunities which will make good money for the unit holders. There is no restrictions of the market cap. How we switch across market cap depends upon the opportunity. If we believe a particular opportunity is available in small cap rather than in a large cap, we will switch there. And this is one of those rare schemes where the entire 100% flexibility is given in the hands of fund managers. So this we believe is suitable for the investors who want consistent, stable and sustainable returns. So that was on FlexiCap scheme, and I would like to thank you so much.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.